This is the Trade Father along with Koki.
How's it going?
We are here to talk about the closing or finishing of a candle.
So the question that is most asked is, does the trader wait for the candle to close before entering the trade?
Now, the answer is about risk.
Okay, so how much risk is the trader willing to take on the entry of that trade?
Well, the trader first has to recognize, okay, so we have four charts up here. We have the 1, the 5, the 30, and the 3-hour. A 30-minute candle will close on every half an hour. The 5-minute candle will close every 5 minutes, and a 1-minute candle will close every minute. So there is no true answer. It depends on the trader. Whichever time frame that you choose for the close, make sure that you do the same close rule over and over again. If you change the time frame, you will be changing the statistics of your results. Lack of confidence and confusion comes from being inconsistent. Candles are closing inside other candles. Do not ignore the trend of the higher time frame candle. Now, we look at the chart, and you can see that on the 3-hour, we definitely have a red candle going down, so the sellers are in control. On the 30-minute chart, we also have a red candle, so the sellers are in control. Now, on the 5-minute, we can see the sellers were in control, and at the very bottom is a little red wick, and that tells us that the buyers are coming into the market. Now, if we looked at the 1-minute chart and somebody said, hey, I'm going to enter the trade short. When that 1-minute candle red closes red, and that happened 2 candles ago, you may have entered short, right where that arrow is pointing. Now, this is why you have to use multiple time frame analysis, because if you look on the 3-hour, you are actually entering inside an area of support and inside an area of demand. So now those blue candles are showing up on the 1-minute chart. You can't see those on any other time frame.
I think we have a video on that.
Yes, we do. We do have a video on that. So you guys should check out the reinforcements and confluence videos.
So that was my question, actually. Do we look for reinforcements and confluence?
You always look for reinforcements and confluence if you guys want to know, do I enter on this trade when the candle closes? Well, what is the candle closing into? If the candle's closing into a racetrack, then you have a higher probability trade. But once you enter the trade, you want to see reinforcements within an ATR of your trading time frame. Now, we can see those on the 1-minute chart, but we can't see them on the 5-minute. So it gets back to how much risk you're willing to take on that trade. Now, no matter which candle close that you choose, the higher probability trade is an entry where there are reinforcements that have confluence over multiple time frames, and you wait for the candle to close on the refined time frame. If you enter on the close of the candle, what is the worst possible pullback or heat the price can take? If you ask this question before every entry, then you'll have a more objective outlook on your trade. Also, you'll be less emotional. Now, looking at the chart, we can see if we entered right now in the 1-minute, we have a group of sellers that came into the market 2 minutes ago in that long wick coming off that red candle. Now, when a trader wants to be told when to enter the trade, it is because they are dealing with the emotions related to risk, greed, fear, and hope. There is no one answer.
So how does this video help traders?
This video will help traders make more money by understanding that a set of rules has to be followed to have high probability and low risk trades. The trader has to make choices, practice, and implement the choice after changing their trading rules. Here, you have to take it on the close, look for the reinforcements on multiple time frames, and go and do a racetrack. Now, please click on like if you learned something, or subscribe if you want to see more videos. If you have any comments or questions, please email team@growuphairandtrade.com.